Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the next video. So in this video we are going to see how to insert data into an existing table. So if you have created a table or if you want to create a table, then I have uploaded videos on how to do that one. So you can just check out the description or playlist, you will find the videos there. So in this today's video we are going to see how to insert particular data into a table. And already you can see I have created a fresh table. I have created one database and also I have created one table with the name employee. So these are the column names of the table. User ID is the first column, first name is the second column, last name is the third column, and email is the fourth column. So the schema of that one you can see here. So user ID, first name, last name, and email. So these are the columns which are present in my database, and currently it's empty. It don't have any information in that table. Alright, so now I will try to insert some data inside this one, like user ID, first name, last name, and email. So how to do that one with the help of SQL query, right? So it's very simple. We'll just see it in a minute. The first thing what you need to do is just write insert, and after that you need to write the keyword into, and here you need to mention the table name. So the table name in my case is employee, right? So this is the table name, and after this you need to mention what are all the different columns which are present in your table. So in my table there are four columns: user ID, first name, last name, and email. So just see or refer your table and see the column names. Just mention those things. So I will just mention user ID, after that first name, then last name, at the end email. So these are the columns which are present in my table, right? So once you give the column names, then you need to mention like what are all the different values which you want to insert into that table. Then just write values, after that open close braces, and inside this you need to write the values in the single quote. So for user ID, let it be 1, and after that for first name, let it be Akash, and after that comma, last name is Patil, and the email will be akash@gmail.com. So this is how you can write a query. So let me summarize. You need to write insert into, after that the table name, which is employee in our case, and then you need to write the column names which are present in your table. User ID, first name, last name, and email are the columns which are present in my table. After that you need to mention values, and you need to give values whatever you want to insert, right? So once you do this one, just execute with the help of this command here, and it got executed. Now it's time to check if the values got inserted or not. So you can just run this query, select star from employee. So it will show all the data present in that table. So I'll just execute that one, and you can see user ID is 1, first name is Akash, last name is Patil, and email is Akash, like that. Okay, so now let's say you want to insert more records. You can do it here itself. So I will just change it to 2, then Akash will be changed to Anil, let it be Patil, and I will change it as Anil Patil. Okay, so after this what you can do is just place a cursor over here, and if you click on this one it will execute the single line which is currently being pointed, and if you click on this one it will execute whole script whatever you have written here. So I want to execute this single line, so click on that one. So a single line been executed. Now point to this one, that is this line. You need to execute this query, right? So just click on this one, and it will execute. So now you can see Anil Patil has been executed or inserted. Like that I want to make third entry, which will be Sunil Shetty, and yeah, this is sunil@gmail.com. So what you can do is just execute this one, and again point here and execute this line. So you can see Sunil has been inserted. So like this, with the help of this simple one line, that is insert into, you can insert whatever data you want to insert into a table. So this is how you can do it. So if you have got any doubts, please do ask in the comment section, and if you have got any suggestions, then please do tell us in the comment section itself. So found useful, then just like it. See you in the next one.